Okay, in this video I want to explain to you how to get set up for your mymathlab course site. So first things first, you want to log in to Brightspace, go to our Brightspace page, and then you want to click on the Content tab. Now if it doesn't by default go there, you want to make sure you're on the Start Here module. Okay, if you come down, you'll see a little welcome message from me, and you'll see this video setting up mymathlab. And you'll see a link down here called Vital Source. And underneath that, you'll see a link, My Lab and Mastering Course Home. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is click this My Lab and Mastering Course Home. When you click that, when I click it, it logs me in because it is already linked my account. When you click the link, though, you're going to see a screen that looks something like this. Over here, it'll actually have our course name and description here. So if you have a mymathlab site, then you will see you can sign in here with your username and password. If you used mymathlab before here at the college. If not, come over here and use the Create a Pearson account link. It basically asks for your username, first and last name, email address, password, pretty basic information. At that point, once you've done that, you've registered for the course and it's now linked to Brightspace. It's then going to take you to the payment screen where it's going to say select an option. We're going to select the option for use an access code because your book was included with your tuition, so you've already paid for access for the course. So you're going to choose the access code option. Now, to get your access code, you're going to want to go back over here to mymathlab, click on Content again, and this is where the Vital Source inclusive access is going to come into play. That link will take you to Vital Source. You may need to click on the screen, opt in or something like that. You may need to check a little box to opt in and then click Reveal Access Code. Now for me, that's not going to show anything. For you, it should print a code up here in the box. And you can just copy that code and you go to mymathlab. So once you've copied that code, you come back over to your mymathlab where you're on this screen right here. You click the access code box. That'll pop up a menu like this. You put in the word, phrase, whatever it happens to be for that particular one. You just do Control V, click in the first box and do Control V. It'll type the whole thing in. Click Finish and you're good to go. You'll see a screen that looks like this. You're done. Now, I've had some students mention to me in a few of my classes that they've had some problems with Vital Source where they'll click it and it'll say one course, zero materials, or I've actually had some people click it and say there's an error. If that happens to you, when you're on this screen here, get to the right one here, where it's asking for payment, and you have the option to use an access code. If you go down to the bottom of that screen, there is a link that says, hey, get temporary access. So if your Vital Source thing's not working right now, please go down and click the link for temporary access. That'll get you access for a couple weeks. Send me an email to let me know that there's a problem with your Vital Source thing. This is a new service the college started using this year. So please let me know. There's still some bugs with it. Unfortunately, I hate that happens. But if it does happen, you can get the temporary access. Send me an email. We'll get you sorted out. And later on this week, you can go ahead and put your full code in. So again, just to kind of recap, you go to Content, click the mymathlab link. That's going to pop up a screen where it's going to show our course, Math 90, and my name and stuff. And it's going to ask you to log in or create an account. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to the payment screen or you can click access code. You get the access code from the VitalSource link on Brightspace. If that's giving you a problem, click the link for temporary access, and then you're good to go. Again, click the VitalSource link to get the code. You put the code in, and then you'll be set up, and there'll be a link you click to go to your course. And then anytime after that, you click the mymathlab link. It's always going to take you straight to the course. You won't have to log in again. It remembers that information for you. Okay, so please, if you find you have issues, email me, and I'll do my best to help get you sorted out.